So the topic is what is a networking and what is a LAN connection. Now networking also known as a computer networking is a practice of transporting and exchanging a data between nodes over a shared medium in an information system. Shared medium means there is a one communication channel available, and we exchanging data from one PC to another PC, or from one laptop to another laptop, or from one electronic device like one mobile to another mobile. So we can say we share data, or we transfer data from one endpoint to another endpoint. Now we take a simple example about a networking. When we are communicating with each other, then it is a part of also a networking, but not in a computer manner. So when we are talking about networking in computer manner, then we can say we basically two machine or two devices are communicating with each other, then we can say it is a networking. Now, networking is compromises not only the design, but construction and use of a network, but also the management, maintenance, and operation of a network infrastructure, software, and policies. So, which type of rules or which type of things include in networking? Here it is mentioned. It is include a design part of networking, construction, how they construct, how the device connect with each other, and the maintenance of every device is also here mentioned. Now we move to next slide. Here we see what is actually a LAN connection and what is how they are connected. So computer networking enables devices and endpoints to be connected to each other on a local area network, or to a large network such as the internet or a private wide area network WAN. How actually networking, or what how actually two devices are connected with each other using a connection oriented protocol, or using a wired connection. So there is a one PC and one laptop is here available, so we just connect with these two devices using a Ethernet cable. So we can say it is a wired connection between two devices. Using this device we can communicate with using these devices, every device communicate with each other. Okay, so two devices communicate with each other. We are just establishing a normal network connection between two devices. Now types of network available in this: LAN, local area network; MAN, metropolitan area network; WAN, wide area network. Again, in a LAN, what is actually LAN and what is a WAN and wide area network, that we can see in next slides. So in first we see a LAN. So local area network connects the network devices in such a way that personal computer and workstation can share data, tools and programs. So basically these networks are divided between three parts, main three parts: LAN, MAN and WAN. According to their speed, according to their transferring of data efficiency, they are divided. Now we see a local area network. This as a name suggests, local area means it is work on a local, or it is a work on a small area network. Okay. Now how a LAN area network is defined, that here shown in the figure, like every computer is connected with each other using a Ethernet cable. So a red line indicates a Ethernet cable between two computers, and every computer is connected with each other. So using this strategy, we can transfer data from one PC to another PC using a local host and IP addresses. Again, the group of computers and devices connected together by a switch or a stack of a switch using a private addressing schema defined by TCP/IP protocol. And and private addresses are unique in a relation to other computers on a local network. So how the networks or devices connected with each other using switch that mentioned here, and how they look like there is a one switch or one hub switch available. Then using this switch we can connect two, here we connect four PCs and one server, like one CPU and one laptop also. So using one switch we can operate five devices also. Okay, this is a common LAN that we establish. This is a basically a star topology, we can say that. Now the connection must be high speed and relatively inexpensive hardware. Here it is mentioned that which type of hardware use, like hubs use Ethernet cables, network adapter. The hub is look like multiple ports are available in this. So how we can connect Ethernet wire using hub, and multiple devices connected with only one hub. So hub is a center point of a system. And how the Ethernet cable is look like, here it is as shown in the figure. Now a lens cover small geographical area. Size is limited to few kilometers and are privately owned. Here it is mention a limitation of a LAN area. So in a small area we can establish LAN connection, like in colleges, in a hospital. For one college we can establish a LAN connection, for one campus, for one organization. Similarly, one can use it in office, building, home, hospital, school. LAN is easily to design and maintain. A communication medium used for LAN has a twisted pair cable and coaxial cable. Okay, how the coaxial cable is also here mentioned. First is the inner part is a central core from which data is transmitted, or current is transmitted, and another is a dielectrical insulator to differentiate a metallic shield and center core. There is a dielectric insulator is available, and then plastic jacket is also for protecting coaxial cable. Also twisted pair cable is also available. Twisted pair cable is basically twisting the two cables. Okay. Now it covers a short distance, and so the error and noise are minimized. The smallest LAN may only use two computers, while large LAN are accommodate thousands of computers. Here it is how a LAN work on a lowest manner to a highest manner. Here it is a range of a LAN is mentioned, like two computers to thousands computers. So we can communicate to using LAN with two computers also, and also we can communicate with thousands of computers using LAN connection. So LAN typically relies mostly on a wired connection for increasing speed and security, but wireless connection is also be a part of LAN. Wired connection, how we can establish a connection using wired connection, that is mentioned in a previous PPTs. But we can use also wireless connection and establish a LAN. Nowadays we use a wireless connection, like we put a router in our organization and we can access internet connection. So using wireless connection there is some limitation, but wired connection has a better efficiency than a wireless connection. So here we are cover topic according to wired connection. Now the fault tolerance of a LAN is more, and there is a less congestion in this network. Basically, less congestion is in this network means there is a less traffic available in this network, because there is a less devices connected in this network, and number of devices low. So according to that, the range is also in a limited area, like it is established in a small area, or for one particular hospital or for one particular organization we can establish LAN. So using this, we have a less congestion. So there is a less traffic, less devices connected with each other. So we can say it is a less congestion. And fault tolerance, also it is a fault tolerance.